ICT 2018 October-November paper 2-1 document production part. So document production part of this exam paper is normally they ask you to create a document, to apply some styles to it. Sometimes they ask you to create by your own the styles, or sometimes they also have given you the styles which are already applied. You just need to edit or modify them. So how we'll do this? Just let's see. With the first step is always they ask you to prepare an evidence document and then save it with your candidate number at the end. So I will just open the evidence document here. This is the evidence document, and then I'm just going to insert my details here, like my name, center number and candidate number. So just type here my name, then center number, then my candidate number. Then just click on close, file, save this one as, and then at the end your candidate number, and just save it as a Word document. Save it. It is done. Next step is to use a suitable software package and open the file N21A to history. So it is here. Just open this file. Yeah. Now next they have said that the page setup is A4, and the page setup set to A4, landscape orientation and page margins to 2 cm. Do not make any changes to these settings. It means that you have nothing to do with it. You just need to save your file with the name mining in your work area. This one, and file, save this one as, yeah, and we'll name it mining, and we'll save it as a Word document. And I will create a folder at the desktop with the name, for example, paper 2-1 2018. That's it. Open the folder and save the file over there. Next step is placing your evidence document screenshot to show this file have been saved. Make sure there is evidence of file type. So in this case you need to minimize this one, and then you need to go to your folder at the desktop. Yeah, this is your folder and your file is here. You just need to extend this one and just one click, and then print screen, and then just paste this one into your evidence document as your evidence 1, and then crop so that the main file and the folder name with the file type is clearly visible, just like that. Then after, next step is remove any preset page breaks in document. If there is any page break in the document, you just need to remove them. So we'll just look at the document, and there is page break, I guess. We just need to click here, and here we have an option in the page layout, page breaks, so nothing. Yeah, so you just get back to remove the page breaks. Like, we just need to get back the data into your original format. Yeah, that is done. There is no page break now. Next, place in your name, center number, candidate number right in the header. So your name, center number in the header at the right side. You're just going to type your name, then your center number, and then after your candidate number. Then we need to close these two, we just don't need them. Close, and then after they ask you to place in the footer automated page number left align, and then the automated file name and path right align. So we need to insert a footer now. On the left side, the page number, current position, page number, at right side the file name with the path. So we just need to click on date here, file name, and then just click on add path to it, and then just remove this one and click on close. Next step is to make sure that all alignment match the page margins, so they already match, and no other text or placeholder are included in the header and footer, and header footer are displayed on every page. So we just need to check that, yeah, that is in the page margin, our text, then our page number and path, no other details, that's it. Next, they said create and store the following style basing each on the default paragraph style. Now you need to create a style, for example with the name of THM dash here they said title, and these are the details in that style. So I'm going to the end of the document here, just here, and will create the style. Just click here, style, new quick style, we will name this, then modify. This one must be a serif font, so I always prefer Times New Roman as a serif, and the font size as they have mentioned 36 point. Then right align, bold, right align, and single line spacing before and after. So paragraph, line spacing single, before and after spacing 0. Click on OK. A style is created. Then after we need THM subtitle style with the details they have provided here. So just modify. Now this one we need as 18 point with the same serif font, left align, and then underline, no bold, and single line spacing before and after, so 0 0. That's click on OK, then click on OK. One thing I just want to make sure with this style, as I have chosen here justified, it must be right align, that's it. Then I'm going to create one more style with the name this time THM subhead. So this is what they are going to call it, and then sans serif font. So Arial I always choose as sans serif font, 16 point, and center align, and underline italic, and then after spacing is 6, just like that, and click on OK. That is done. Now one more style with THM body. So just select this one. This one must be a serif font. Yeah, this one must be a serif font with 11 point and justified. 11 point and justified. No enhancement, no bold, no italic, and after spacing is 12. So here after paragraph spacing is 12. Click on OK. OK. And then we have THM table. So we need to create one more style here. Just click on quick style. This one must be serif and 11 as well, but center align, no enhancement, and then after no line spacing before and after, that is 0. That is done. Now next is take a screenshot to show that the style setting have been defined for the TM subhead. So we just need to click on TM subhead, right click, modify, print screen, click on OK, and then just click here, that is your evidence number 2. Now you just need to crop like that. Yes. Next step is display these custom style names as a list in the style manager organizer. Provide screenshot evidence that these styles have been created. So what we need to do, we just need to click here this time, and print screen, just close, and then put this one as your evidence number 3. This is the style manager and organizer view. You just need to crop it. Let's like that. This one also, and this is how it will look like. Yeah. Next step is, at the start of the document, enter the title History of Tawara Mining. So we just need to go to the top of the document here, and we need to paste this one, Tawara, History of Tawara Mining, and apply TM title style to it, and TM title. Then after, enter your name immediately after the subtitle reported by here, and then after apply the which style to it, subtitle style to it. We will apply subtitle style to it, and then after this subtitle must be left line underline, that's it. Then after apply the TM body style to the rest of the document. So select from here till the end, just need to apply TM body style to it. Then after, change the page layout so that the subheading Tawara Mining and the rest of the following text is equally divided into 2 columns with 2 cm space between them. So from Tawara Mining onward till here the end, we need to divide the document into 2 equally spaced columns. So page layout, and then more, 2 columns, and how much space between them, 2 cm gap between them. Now this is how we have arranged. Yes, now here this document, just like this. This is how now your document look like. Everything is okay. Now next step is format the country items from Russia, iron till copper into a bulleted list. So where is that bulleted list? From Russia till this one with the bulleted list, and that is a square bullet. Just click here, the square bullet, and then after format this cell so that the bullet are indented by 1.5 cm from the left of margin with no space after each line. So we just select this one, then right click, and then we adjust the list, and the spacing between them is 1.5 cm indent bullet position, and then paragraph, no line spacing here, just tap 0. So it will look like this. And then after they said that identify the 7 subheading in the document and apply TM subheading style to each one. So 7 subheadings we need to identify, that is number 1, then number 2, and that is 3, and that's 4, then 5, 6, and that's a 7 one. And TM subheading style we need to apply. That is done. Then after, open the file N21.8 price list.csv and insert the content as a table after the text current metal price as follow. So here is current metal price. We just insert here the content from which file, desktop, sorry, we need to go to our folder here. We need to get all the files, and then price list. Here we have a CSV file, price list, insert, the data is inserted. Now what I need to do is select this all, including this data, and then convert text to table. Just it is in separate, that's why the changes are appearing here. Just press or we just we can do one more method by just opening the file just like that, so that the data is not disturbed at all. Price list, then just select like that, copy and paste it here. So the data is inserted. Now you just need to click here to get the grid lines for all border, just like that. Then next step is delete the column with the heading air 2000 price per kg. So this column we need to delete. Just click here and then right click, delete the column. Now it will look like this. And then after they said insert a new row at the end of the table and enter the following text in the new row. So what we need to do is we need to enter a new row here just by clicking here, and we need to enter the data, that is nickel, then 11.27, that is 11.27, and then after 10794.13, and then 8.05 and 11.48. Data is entered, and next step, sort the data in ascending alphabetical order of metal name. So you need to go to metal name, just select from this point and onward, and then put them into ascending order. We'll just click here at the top of this column, and then here, and just right click and arrange them into ascending. Here is the ascending order option is you can just click here. Let's see, will it work? The ascending order, and then this one also into ascending order. I think we just need to get this back to the other column. Now we need to arrange them into ascending order, then it will work. This time it is okay now. So when you just go back to the next step here, format the first row of the table so it is center line over the 5 columns. So this row must be, cells must be merged here, and then center a line. Then after this it has a white 14-point sans serif font. So 14-point sans serif font, sans serif I will choose here Arial, and 14-point with the white color. And then after they have mentioned bold and italic as well, make it bold, italic, and then has a black background. So the background color I am going to choose from here black, just like that. And then after they mention, make sure that the table fits within the width of the column. The THM table style is applied to row 2 to 8. So from row 2 to 8 I am going to apply the style from here till the end. TM table, this style, and then after the text in each row does not wrap, so the text is not wrapped here in any of these column. You can make the table bigger like that. So now it is perfect, and then all the word and grid line must be printed, so it is already there. Then after they said import the image N218 logo.png and place this below the subheading Tawara mining. So we need to go to the top of the document Tawara mining. We need to insert here a picture. So insert a picture here. We'll click onto the desktop and then to the folder, this logo. Once this is inserted, after this it need to be resized by 3.5 centimeter wide. So here I'm going to just enter here 3.5 centimeter. This is how it look like. And then after they said that it is left align margin at the top of the paragraph starting the first part of, and then text wrap around. So we'll just right click here or just click here and select the square. Then after more layout, so alignment to the left of the column and top of the line, just like that. And then after spell check and proofread the document, make sure that table and list not split over two column of the pages. Just let's see, is our table splitting over two? No. So everything is all right here. And then after no widows and orphan, no blank pages, the house style specification has been followed and correct styles applied, spacing between all is consistent, and then save and print. Before print I'm going to choose the option of grammar check. Europe is the Nevo Carvo complex, so we just leave this one just like that, ignore. And then price ton, so ton need to be changed here, aluminium, we just choose here aluminium, change, ignore, 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 again ignore. Tawara is the name they have provided, crafty, change, Tawara, that's it, it is changed. Click on OK. Now your document is ready to print. That's what they said in the document production part. Hope you have learned how to produce the document from the provided files in the IGCSE examination. Thanks for watching. Subscribe the channel for further videos.